Manipur State Hood Funky Basa Yankay mga surapagi palan thoram nga si state lengang nasinduna Manipur Rifles si ahanba Parade Ground da Manipur gi Governor yawn state ki thakta pangthokrai thoram maduda Manipur lenga ki Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh DGP Rajiv Singh amadi lenga ki makok thongba official kya na sarugya ki State Hood de gi thoram maduda Manipur Police Department ki tuan ba Mars Pass ki contingent tara mari masung band party contingent nipan puna contingent kun nithoina Mars Pass ta sarugya ki loina na sayi sigi commendation amasung appreciation certificate singsu lanthoki tharom maduda sarugya ki ba Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana haikibada tharom asina lamdam asigi miyamna ngalingai matamda amatoina honaki ba amadi mayonaki ba awaba kayadu nahona naningsing halai Indian Union ki manungda asumna mapung faba statehood fangba haibasi democratic oi bawa kalunda masana lengak sabamadi sakhot lambida sanction bagi ithil mayak sengna uhalli haina governor na phongdoki
Statehood reflects the democratic ideal of governance of the people, for the people and by the people. It empowers the people in reaffirming Manipur's identity, democratic values and collective responsibility to ensure justice, unity and development for all. The development of the state can flourish when there is stability and trust among ourselves. Each one of us, especially our youth, has a vital role in nation building through discipline, hard work, innovation and a commitment to public good. The state has produced outstanding achievers in sports, arts, science, civil services, defense and public life, earning national and international recognition. The year 2025, the visits of Honorable Prime Minister of India and Honorable President of India to the state have reaffirmed the nation's strong commitment to Manipur's development, peace and constitutional values. During the Honorable Prime Minister's visit, several flagship projects and national initiatives were inaugurated or further advanced, marking a new phase in Manipur's development journey. Education and youth development have received renewed momentum through initiatives such as expansion of Eklavya Model Residential Schools, skill development under the Skill India Mission, and PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana and new opportunities for startups and technology-based industries through the IT Special Economic Zone in Mantripuri. The Honorable President of India's visit in 2025 carried a profound message of constitutional values, unity and inclusive development.